Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can add green screen to your videos on Videoleap. So we're gonna head over to Videoleap, and right now I am working on a project. I mean, not really. So I'm just gonna cut this one here for a bit. All right. Okay. So now that we have our project here, let's just treat this as our background, and if you want to do some green screen, then it's a bit of layering. There should be a video below it and a video above that video below, if you get what I mean. And how you do that is you click on mixer over here. Let's add a green screen picture over here. And now this picture over here is on top of the video, so we can even change and resize it to however we want. But now we must focus on what to do in order to do the green screen, which is you can do through going to Chroma over here, click on the green screen part, and as you can see, it just removed the green screen, although it's not that proper. Well, you can edit it out, which would damage the picture very badly. But what I would recommend is when you're doing a green screen, make sure that the photo or video that you're putting above the background should be of high quality. If not, you should be getting the same results as me, which is really bad. It's like the green screen, the chroma key does not know which one it should be taking out and which ones it should not. But overall, that is how you can do green screen in Videoleap. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.